It's got a combination of mattes and shimmers both, and the color scheme on this palette is really beautiful. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes under rupees 700. All of these eyeshadow palettes perform really well on the eyes. They are pigmented, they give you an opaque finish in just one or maximum two swipes. They blend really well and they show up beautifully on the eyes, and the color combinations of all of these palettes are also really beautiful. And the best part is that all of these palettes are very affordable. They all retail below rupees 700 only. So without any further ado, let me quickly share with you my top 6 eyeshadow palette. The first palette on my list is the Swiss Beauty 36 color eyeshadow palette, and that is how the colors look like. It's got a combination of mattes and shimmers both, and the color scheme on this palette is really beautiful. The matte colors on this palette are really pigmented and you'll achieve an opaque color payoff in just one or two swipes. And the shimmers, when you use them with a dry brush, they look very subtle and natural on the eyes. They look like dispersed shimmer, and when you use them with a wet brush, the pigmentation increases so much and they look like foil eyeshadows. They look so beautiful and so dramatic when applied with a wet brush. All of the colors blend really beautifully. It's very easy to blend them, and the palette does have a little bit of kickback, but that's alright because most of the palettes do have a little bit of fallout. But apart from that, this is a very beautiful palette for the price. It retails only for rupees 699. You're getting 36 beautiful vibrant colors which perform so well on the eyes. In fact, the eyeshadow look that I'm wearing right now, I created it with the help of this palette, and here's another look that I created with the same palette, and it turned out to be so beautiful. So I highly recommend you try out this palette if you're on a budget, because a palette like this generally retails above rupees 1000, but this only retails for 699, so definitely give it a shot. The second eyeshadow palette on my list is this Nicka K Perfect 9 eyeshadow palette, and this contains 9 beautiful shimmer colors. The color scheme of this palette is pastel. It has 6 pastel shimmer shades on the top, and then it's got white, silver and black shimmer shades on the bottom. The pigmentation on this palette is okay, it's pretty decent. When you use a dry brush to apply the shimmers, they look very natural and very subtle on the eyes, but if you use a wet brush, the pigmentation sort of increases and makes the colors more vibrant and more beautiful. The colors blend beautifully, and the palette does have a little bit of fallout. The MRP of this is 550. However, I got it on a 50% off for just 275 rupees from Flipkart. Nicka K is usually on discounts on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra, etc. So keep an eye out for discounts on Nicka K products. Here are the few eyeshadow looks that I created with the help of this palette, and they turned out to be so beautiful. It's a beginner friendly palette. If you are not good at blending eyeshadows, then you can try out this palette. It's a very wearable, everyday sort of an eyeshadow palette. The third palette on my list is this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, and that is how the colors look like. It's got 2 transition shades, 2 shimmer shades, and then 6 matte shades, and all of the matte shades are very pigmented. The shimmers on the other hand are not as pigmented. They look very natural and very subtle even with a wet brush. So I generally don't use the shimmers of this palette, but I love the matte colors. They are so pigmented and they blend very beautifully. They do have a lot of kickback, but that's okay because the colors perform really well on the eyes, and the color combination of the matte colors can help you to create multiple eye looks with this palette. I have created so many eye makeup looks with the help of this, and I really enjoyed using this palette. The looks turned out to be so beautiful. So I do recommend you check this palette out. It's available in 3 more variants, and this palette retails for rupees 599. Next on my list are a few Nicka K eyeshadow palettes. I have 6 of them. So let me just take you through them one by one. Each of these palettes retails for rupees 599, but I got them on a 50% off for just 300 rupees. So make sure you keep an eye out for these discounts in Nicka K. The first variant that I have is this Mocha Mix, and it's got beautiful neutral shades. The second variant is called Poison Apple, and it's got shades of reds. Next up I have Sugar Plum, which has some beautiful pink colors. And then we have Autumn Spice, which has some really beautiful warm colors. Then there's Under the Sea, which has some very pretty cool toned colors. And lastly I have Birthday Cake, which has some beautiful, vibrant, colorful colors. The shimmers are really pigmented. Whether you use a dry brush or a wet brush, they are very pigmented. With a dry brush, they'll look like normal shimmer colors, but they will show up really well. And with a wet brush, they look like foil eyeshadows. They look like really expensive eyeshadows. The mattes, on the other hand, are not as pigmented. When you blend the matte shades, the intensity of the colors does reduce a lot, so you have to keep going in again and again with the matte shades. And these palettes do have a little bit of fallout, but apart from that, these are good palettes for 300 rupees. If you get them on a 50% off, you should definitely grab them. Nikaki has come up with some more variants in these palettes. These are all Huda Beauty palette dupes, and they have some more Huda Beauty palette dupes, so you can check out any of the color combinations, any of the color schemes depending upon your usage. Next up, I have Swiss Beauty Twinkle Town eyeshadow palette, and look at how gorgeous the packaging is. It comes with a mirror, and then those are all of the glitter colors. These are all pressed glitters, and the shades are so beautiful. So you can directly pat these pressed glitters on your eyes, on top of shimmers, or just on top of your lid, and they will show up nicely. They will look beautiful. But if you use like a glitter primer and then apply these pressed eyeshadows, they look so good. They look so dramatic and so beautiful. It's an amazing palette for wedding functions, for parties, and yeah, it only retails for 550 rupees. Last on my list are these two Wet n Wild eyeshadow quads. The first one is called Petalite, and it's got very beautiful wine shades. And the second one is called Lights Out, and it's got very pretty grey shades. So these are the two eyeshadow looks that I created with the help of these palettes. Each palette has 3 shimmer shades and 1 matte shade. The palette is very beginner friendly because they've mentioned the use of each of these colors. The matte is very pigmented. It's as pigmented as the mattes in the Rose in the Air palette, and they blend beautifully. And the shimmers, when you apply them with a dry brush, they do show up, but with a wet brush, they look even more gorgeous, even more dramatic. The colors blend beautifully, and they have a little bit of fallout. And each of these palettes retail only for rupees 299, and they're always available on a 50% off on Flipkart, Myntra, Amazon, Nykaa. So whenever you get a 50% off in these palettes, you should definitely grab them. They're available in over 10 shades. So those are my top 6 affordable eyeshadow palettes under rupees 700. In case if you want to see any other videos like this on lipsticks or foundations or any other products, then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to make more videos for y'all. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.